How to use Uber Eats promo code. So as you can see here, I've received a promo code email which I want to use on an Uber Eats order. So all you're going to have to do is go ahead and copy the code first of all, wherever you got it from. Maybe it's on a website, etc. Wherever that code is, make sure it's copied. Then you want to go to the Uber Eats website, make sure you're logged in, go ahead and click on the restaurant you want, order the food you're looking for, and then eventually go to the top right hand corner where you see the basket, then click go to checkout. Once you're in the go to checkout section, there should be a bit on the right hand side where it says promotion. Go ahead and click on that. Then you want to paste in the code and click on apply there. Then it should go ahead and apply, or it might automatically be on depending on which code you're using. Just make sure it's selected like this, making sure that's the one that's going to be used. Click done. Then at the bottom right you should be able to see where it says promotion, then the amount of money that's deducted from the order. Then you can go ahead and click on place order. Once you've clicked on place order, then it should go through and then you should receive your order with a promo code. Leave a like on the video for help, to subscribe for more helpful videos.